Unboxing Prince Revolution Live, Part 2. Ahoy hoy everybody, and welcome to the second part of my unboxing of Prince Revolution Live. It is Thursday the... whatever it is. 9th? 10th? Good start. 9th. It is Thursday the 9th of June, and Every, or as I like to call them, the parcel delivery company formerly known as Hermes, have just delivered my package from a Prince store in the US with the deluxe version of Prince Revolution Live. So let's get into it. So if you haven't watched part 1, and part 1 I unboxed the normal black vinyl and the CD Blu-ray box set, but this is the deluxe version, so it's nicely protected. Bit of paper to cut out the box, and then the actual box set itself is wrapped up and protected. So, okay, so what we got? So it's got one of the nice love symbol number 1 shaped stickers, slightly different shade from the vinyl copy. So the iconic Purple Rain Tour, the legendary concert recorded live March 30th, 1985 at the Carrier Dome in Syracuse, New York. Exclusive 2 CD, 3 LP Blu-ray set, remixed and remastered from the original multi-track masters. LPs pressed on red, purple and gold vinyl. Blu-ray with digitally enhanced picture, mixed in stereo, 5.1 surround and Dolby Atmos. Luxe 44-page book with never-before-seen photos, ephemera and liner notes, featuring interviews with members of the Revolution and more. First time on CD, first time on vinyl. So yeah, so apart from it all being in one place, the coloured vinyl is exclusive to this set, and the book is, I think it's hardback, plus it's got more pages and more information and interviews and what have you that aren't a normal booklet, which is why I went for this as well as the regular copies. So let's get into it. Protect the sticker. I'll go inside. Okay, so we've got a card on the back with track listing, etc., and another list of what's in there. Okay, so the box, it's a nice foiled box. The Prince Revolution Live is embossed. Is it embossed or embossed? It's embossed on the spine. We have on the bottom, we have a love symbol number 1. Other spine, the same. Nothing on the top. And on the back, we have the on March 30th, 1985, a world witnessed Prince Revolution Live. This explosive concert was originally broadcast live around the world from the Carrier Dome in Syracuse, New York. This broadcast was unanimously hailed as an evening of rock and roll history. Prince and Revolution in concert has evoked unprecedented critical acclaim, and then loads of other bump in the shape of the love symbol. Oh, sorry, just caught my leg on the cable of the light. Okay, so take off the lid, just black inside. Okay, I misremembered, the book isn't hardback, but there's the bigger book. We'll go through that in a second. So then what you've got, okay, so the disc, the CD and Blu-ray are in an LP sized folder. discs themselves will be identical to the ones, yeah, identical to the ones in the CD Blu-ray box set, obviously. Just we'll have a look at the Blu-ray because it should, I presume it hasn't got the UK age certificate on it, unless they printed that on all of them to be on the safe side, but I doubt it. No. So that's a clean copy of that one without the big 15 logo. Okay. Then we've got the download card, as we got with the vinyl. Interesting that they have included that with this, because really when you've got the CD, you don't need it. Okay, so the vinyl, the sleeves themselves seem identical. There might be little differences. But disc 1 is on red vinyl. Sorry if you can hear that clicking. Let me move that and that should stop that. There we go. Yeah, nice red vinyl. The second LP is on purple, and interestingly, oh no it is, I was just going to say it's not the marbled, yes it is the marbled purple that they've been using throughout the reissue campaigns. It, not held to the light, it looked more solid. And disc 3, LP 3, whatever you want to call it, is on gold. I'm hoping it's the nice gold that was used. No, it's not. That's a shame. It's the dull gold rather than the nice gold that was used for Welcome to America. Bit of an imperfection there, but that's not a concern to me whatsoever. It's just where the stamp was slightly, had a bit of black on it by the looks of it. One of the joys of coloured vinyl, you get these imperfections. And we have a poster as well. Oh, that's big. That's nice. Yeah. Even the LME on that gold. It's nice. As it, and in fact, as is the text. Okay, and so the booklet. Let's do that this side. I normally find it easier that way round. So some of this will be replica of what is in the normal version, but we've got a lot more text here already. There's one page of text in the LP one. They've done the podcast for this, as they do with most of the releases now, and normally I find that the text closely mirrors what's in the podcast in these sort of things. And moving back to what was in the original one. finally. Yeah, very nice booklet. Very nice package. Glad I've picked that one up as well as the other. Sorry for shaking my camera. Yeah, so that is... Prince of Revolution Live, the deluxe box set, exclusive to prince.com, unboxed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks.